have 2 yearly solo vacations by myself twice a year. I'm doing it in August. I do it in the summer and I do it in the winter, where I go to a hotel. I start off the day. I get a massage, a mani pedi, a movie by myself. I get dinner. I bring it to a hotel. The next morning I wake up. I go out to breakfast by myself. I do one more thing shopping, usually home goods, and then I go home. I do a 24-hour reset, and everyone around me is happier. So
Wow.
every time I do it, people are like, "How do you do that? That's crazy."
You
I
just
do
need to
it.
do it.
I do it for them. And you know
Yeah.
what? My husband, he's a dad. He can
Yeah.
watch their children. He can watch his children. He
Right.
will be fine. They will survive. And I come home happier. So exactly what you're saying, Beth. Like, we say that we do these things and we are like, we're fine, we're fine. You are not fine.
Hmm.
You are not fine. And even if you're fine right now, you're not going to be fine in a few months if
Right.
you don't take care of yourself.